Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English channel, where we learn English through real conversations, real thoughts, and real life.
Hi, everyone. It's really nice to be here with you again.
Yes, it is. And before we start, just a small reminder, if you enjoy listening to us, please like the episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's learning English.
It really helps, and we truly appreciate it.
All right, David. Let me ask you something very important.
Oh, that sounds serious already.
Very serious. Are you hungry right now?
Yes, always. I'm hungry almost all the time.
I knew it. That means today's topic is perfect.
Absolutely. Today we're talking about cooking and food.
One of my favorite topics.
Same here. Everyone eats, so everyone can talk about food.
Let's start simple. How do you feel about cooking?
I have mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings. Explain.
I enjoy cooking when I have time, but when I'm tired, cooking feels like work.
I understand that completely. Cooking can be relaxing or exhausting.
Exactly. Some days I love it, other days I just want something fast.
Like toast?
Yes, toast is my emergency food.
Toast saves lives. I actually enjoy cooking most of the time.
Really? Even after a long day?
Not always, but I like the process. Cutting vegetables, smelling food cooking.
The smells are the best part.
Yes, when something smells good, you already feel happy.
I agree. Smell is very connected to emotions.
Do you have food memories from childhood?
Oh, yes, many.
Tell me one.
My grandmother used to cook soup every Sunday.
Every Sunday. That's a strong tradition.
Yes, big pot, simple ingredients, but amazing taste.
That's interesting. Often simple food tastes the best.
Exactly. She didn't use fancy ingredients.
Just love.
And patience.
What is your favorite food?
That's a dangerous question.
I know, but try.
I think pasta.
Ah, classic.
Very classic. Pasta is comforting.
What kind of pasta?
Spaghetti with tomato sauce. Simple, again.
You like simple food.
Yes, less stress. What about you, Jannie? Favorite food?
I love rice dishes.
Rice is very versatile.
Exactly. You can eat rice with vegetables, meat, fish.
Sweet rice, salty rice,
Yes, rice is very flexible.
like English grammar. Flexible, but confusing.
How good are you at cooking? Be honest.
Honestly, I'm okay.
Okay means what exactly?
I can follow a recipe,
That's a good skill.
but I don't improvise well.
So no, let's add this and see what happens?
No, that's dangerous.
I like experimenting.
And sometimes it works,
Sometimes.
and sometimes it doesn't.
Yes, we don't talk about those times.
Have you ever burned food badly?
Yes, many times.
What happened?
I forgot the food on the stove.
Classic mistake.
I was talking on the phone.
Food does not like being ignored.
No, food needs attention.
Let's talk about cooking actions.
Without teaching, just naturally.
Exactly. For example, to chop,
Chop vegetables.
to fry,
Fry eggs.
to boil.
Boil pasta.
Very common words.
Cooking also depends on time.
Yes, time changes everything.
If I have 10 minutes, I cook differently than if I have 1 hour.
Same. Quick food versus slow food.
Slow food feels special.
Quick food feels practical.
How often do you eat fast food?
Not very often.
Why not?
I feel tired after eating it.
Yes, heavy food can do that.
Home cooking feels lighter
And healthier.
and cheaper.
Very important point. We need to talk about coffee.
Of course.
How many cups a day?
2, sometimes 3.
That's reasonable.
Coffee is not just a drink.
It's a ritual.
Cooking shows make cooking look easy.
Yes, they say just cook for 5 minutes.
But at home, it's 45 minutes.
And 20 dishes to wash.
The hidden part.
So today we talked about cooking, food, habits,
Likes, dislikes, mistakes.
and real-life cooking. Not perfect cooking.
That's important.
Now, question of the day.
What is one food you love and one food you don't like?
Write it in simple English.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope you felt relaxed, not stressed.
Remember, English grows with listening.
And speaking slowly.
We'll see you in the next episode of the Growth English channel.
Take care, enjoy your food, and keep practicing your English.
Bye, everyone.